Hey you guys, in this video we want to be able to convert fractions into percent, and that's our goal, our only goal here. So let's review. Converting a decimal to a fraction, so if I have 0.2, I want to be able to put it over 10, or if it's 0.25, I'm going to put it over 100, and then I just need to reduce it down. Don't forget to reduce. Now if I'm converting a fraction to a decimal, then I can take top divided by bottom. Remember, top dog goes on the inside of the division sign. And then just work it out with some zeros and you got your answer. Alright, let's get into our lesson. We're going to do what we did on the last videos. We're going to jump to a different video. I'd like you to pause the video here, click on the rubber ducky, and go watch another video. Take good notes again. Write down examples and terms and your WSQ, and then we'll wrap it up when you come back. Alright, let's wrap this up here. When changing a fraction to a percent, remember there's two steps. Change a fraction to a decimal by dividing, or you can do it by trying to get an equal fraction with a denominator of 10 or 100. Or the quick way is just take top divided by bottom. And once I get it to a decimal, I can move it from a decimal to a percent by moving the decimal point 2 places to the right. Make it 2 spots bigger. For example, if you got 3/20ths, if I take 3 divided by 20, I'm going to add the decimal point and bring it up. I'm going to add a couple zeros. And then I can start dividing here. So how many 20s go into 30? Well, that's 1. And then 20. And I get a remainder of 10. And I bring down my last 0. How many 20s go into 100? Well, that's going to be 5. And that'll work out to be 100. So my answer is 0.15. That's dividing and finding the decimal. Now I need to move it over 2 spots. 1, 2. So I'm going to move my decimal 2 spots. So now my 0.15 will now turn into 15%. How about the other way? How about changing a percent to a fraction? What if I give you 40%? Well, there's 2 steps again. First one, I got to do what it says, 40% per 100. So 40 out of 100. And then I want to be able to simplify this. Well, if I have 2 zeros at the end, 1 0 at the end, on 40 and 100, I can take out 1 0 because that's the most I got on both. And if I look, what's left over here is going to be 4 out of 10. So if I take 4 out of 10 and I say, okay, what goes into 4 and what goes into 10? Well, they're both even. So I'm going to take out that 2. I'm going to divide the 2 out of the top. Remember the identity, 2 on the bottom. And I'm going to get 2/5. And that will be my decimal or my fraction equivalent to 40%. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later.